you want to explore Bangkok through waterways, and if you search through Google, then you'll find a lot of river cruise. Mostly they are dinner cruise with drinks included, pricing between $50 to $100. And probably you don't want the dinner cruise. You want some local experience. You want the way the local people travel, and that unique experience, that is what you're looking for. Is that even possible? I believe it is possible. Let's find out. If you're coming by taxi, they will drop you right at the Pier. But if you're coming by BTS, there is a little bit of walking involved. So once you get out of BTS, look for the exit which says River Cruises and follow the sign. You may have to walk maybe about 500 meters. So once you'll come to the cruise point itself, there you have to see that you may have to take the left one, the road leading to the left. That's where the public boats are, because the other side is again those expensive dinner cruise which I've spoken about. We came here to run away from that. When you head towards ticket counter, you may find some people try to lure you away from it and try to sell you expensive dinner cruise tickets or private boat tickets. So ignore them and get to the counter where they sell public boat tickets either for the blue flag or orange flag. So let's find out how to escape those expensive dinner cruise and find a way to explore Bangkok like local people do. The point you will start at is Sathorn Pier. The tickets you buy at the ticket counter
232.
And also they sell tickets on board. In our case, we bought the ticket at the counter, and it was a hassle-free process. Just you pay money and get your tickets. It may look a little chaotic, but it's pretty simple. Either you choose a orange flag or a blue flag. So if you choose an orange flag, it's a slower boat, but it has more stops. And if you take the blue one, it goes a little faster because it has less stops. So prices are almost same. The blue one, which would be a couple of baht more than the orange one. So you choose what you like, how much time you have, and what pace you want to do your journey. So let's go head towards the public boats. I did notice that there are no life jacket or any safety features provided, but I guess that's how the local people in Bangkok travel, so I wouldn't be a judge of it, but it's just an awareness that there are no life jackets available. These boats are open boats, so very often water gets splashed on your face, so that's not a big problem. But if you are having a camera which is expensive and probably not waterproof, then you should consider protecting it from the water. Choosing where to sit. I find it is better to sit on the right hand side of the boat, because when the boat is going and you can see a lot of old buildings and interesting sites, they are more on the right side as opposed to the left side, which has taller buildings and 5-star hotels. If you want to go shopping, you can always visit icon Siam, which is a boat ride away. It will cost you 10 baht. It used to be free boat ride, but now you have to pay 10 baht, and in 5 minutes they will take you across icon Siam shopping mall.
ส่งไอคอนสยามและรถไฟฟ้า BTS สายสีทองได้ที่ท่าเรือนี้สำหรับผู้โดยสารที่จะขึ้นท่าเรือนี้กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ Next Pier Icon Siam Change Pier Feature Please stand by at the exit โปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังขณะก้าวออกจากเรือ Please mind the gap
public announcements are in local Thai as well as in English. So it will tell you about the next stop and if it connects to a BTS station or a metro station. So it will also give you the information on it so you can make your transfers easily. Most of the people prefer to get down at Wat Arun or Chinatown or Talat Noi. So you can read up about this and I would give you a link in description. When you have time, please do look at it. They are very informative videos and it will help you.
กรุณาเตรียมตัวรอบริเวณด้านท้ายเรือ วัดอรุณ วัดอรุณ
Lots of people get down at Wat Arun during the sunset time, as the picture what you take with Wat Arun in the background during the sunset is really nice and very Instagrammable, and you can see those pictures on Instagram. So many examples of it. Wat Arun is actually a sun temple. In Thai language, Wat means temple and Arun means sun god. So it's a temple of sun god. It's made very beautiful. It's a very beautiful temple, and the backdrop, using it as a backdrop, also a good idea. If you like street photography and street art, you may consider getting down at Talat Noi, and this is one of the oldest neighborhood in Bangkok. You can see a lot of street art, and the houses are still made in the old way, and people living their life almost in a very traditional way, the way it was 50 to 100 years back. Another place that you can explore is Chinatown, which is very popular. It has been in many movies and TV serials, and frankly, it's a very old and beautiful part of the city with a lot of Chinese influence. And incidentally, this place also has so many Michelin-rated street food. So you may want to try eating there. It's a gastronomical journey or the street food journey experience in itself. It gets really hot during the daytime, so I would suggest plan your trip in a way that you take the ride later afternoon, maybe around 3 o'clock or so you get yourself enough time to go to some destination and come back and still catch sunset. So we arrived to the last station, the terminal station, which is called Nothanburi, or it is written as N30 on the map. It was late after the sunset and there was no boat going back, so we decided to go out, explore and take few pictures and probably get a taxi back to the city. As we went out, we were surprised to see a very nice clock tower and some more places to take picture. There is a local market, food stalls, and the place gives like a vibe of a local place, which is not so touristy. If you have made it so far, thank you very much for your time and watching this video. Please do like and subscribe, as this will help my Google ranking. and it will motivate me to make more videos like this so that you can enjoy coming back to my channel and watching different videos again and again. Thank you.